Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Turner's Tutoring. I'm Mr. Turner, and I've got our tech tip for today. This one is going to be a website called Storyline Online. And I am highlighting this one because we do a lot of read alouds on our channel. Now, if you would like to continue to watch read alouds, this one is a fantastic website to go and not just listen to read alouds, but kind of a cool thing about this is that you're watching celebrities read some of your favorite stories. So we're going to navigate. You have different parts of this, and this is a free website. They have stories in both Spanish and English, maybe some other languages. But that being said, you have the January highlights, or whatever month it would be. If you come over here to all books, you can search through all the books that they've done, and they have a plethora of different stories for children that they've read having read by different celebrities. Like I've got Seth Meyers here. That one I recognize. Petty White I recognize. Ray Romano. So it's really cool because these are professionals that are used to acting and doing some theatrics. So they put that into the stories that they read. This is a really fun and great motivator for your students or your children that are looking to read, but they also can, one of the fantastic things is that the emotion that they put into it and the enunciation that they read with. So, once again, this is Storyline Online. This is a wonderful website for read alouds, and it is free. You can click on it, and some of the other things that I'm looking at that I hadn't mentioned yet is a specific thing, the suggested grade levels. This is a fantastic feature as well because you can, depending on what the level of your reader is, you can go to that, or you can just let them choose for themselves. I'm Mr. Turner with Turner's Tutoring, thanking you guys for all your support and watching my videos. And if you've gotten to the end and this has benefited you, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for some fun read alouds as well. Thank you, and have a fantastic rest of your day.